Yo, welcome guys. I go by the name of Ammarullah, as you all know me. In this video, I'm going to show you how I executed my trade of last time, the trade I posted last time. I will show you a lot of things that not all I see. You understand? That if you are seeing these things, you'll be making profit back to back when people are waiting for something to come their way. You are already making your own. You understand? So let me make this chat empty so that we start it. I'll make sure this video is not too long. Remove all drawings. Okay, here is it. So BTC, anything someone is doing in BTC this time around in this bullish market, bullish something, they should just be looking for buy. Even after I saw this change of character here, right here, I did not expect to even take a short position. Even if I can, I know I can. So after change of character, as this trade reached this FVG fair value over here and came back here, right here, I can take the trade short, but I didn't. This is an opportunity to take, you understand, but I didn't. Why? Because the structure of the market is uptrend and one need to be careful. This uptrend is bullish. Bitcoin has been rallying bullish, so someone cannot take a trade of bearish, something that will guide them go down. Anything can happen with your account if you do that, though we always use stop loss, but we cannot take a risk of doing some madness like that. So as I saw that, I kept on looking for when to buy a buy opportunity. So let me start from here. So this is a break of market structure from here. It break this highs, which is liquidity, as I told you, equal highs. So it swept the liquidity and break structure from to the upside and left other block right here. This is a major order block. But what I'm going to show you today is not just about the other block. I'm going to show you how to take trade before it even reach the other block, to just play scalping. We cannot take trade for a long time when it did not, the trade is yet to reach other block. You understand? It's just scalping. You need to be there whenever you take trade at some points that are not other blocks. You understand? You need to be there, be observing the chart first. You understand? You need to be observing the chart. Any sign of reversal that you see, you check out your trade, you take out your profit. So it left here with some deep candles, with some deep movement, which are fair value gap. It left fair value gaps separately. This is one. This is one which got violated. It wasn't respected at all. Sure, it was respected at the end. It went up small, but one cannot consider this as something to take trade at, because the movement was kind of at the top of something, and there is no any bearish candle, like no any something that will make you think there is another block. The price may react to the fair value gap. It didn't. So this is another one. So as the trade reach here and we see a red candle, which may serve as maybe another other block, is another other block too. It doesn't have to be only last bullish or bearish candle before a rally to be an other block. Other block can be in the middle of charts. Other block can even be in the middle of like rally. So as I saw this, as we saw this, we know price may likely react here, before it reach the major order block. So as the thing reached here, as the break of market structure, and the trade start to break, I change character right here, then start rallying down. As I saw this one, I took my first trade right here. I took my first trade at the middle of the, at the 50% of the consequence encroachment, which I sent to my guys, to my buddies, to our trading community. I sent this screenshot of the trade that I took. I took this first trade at the middle of this other block, the middle of this fair value gap, sorry. Took it right there and placed my take profit here, but I wasn't expecting a take profit. As I told you, the market is up, is yet to reach the main order block, so you cannot just be holding a trade. You cannot just be holding a trade and be expecting it to reach your take profit after it is not yet at the good point of interest that you are expecting the market to come. So took the trade right here, then it went successfully. It's a good scalping. If you can check, let me remove this. It's a good scalping from the consequence encroachment of this fair value gap to up here. It's a good scalping. If you can see the numbers, 3,484. So 3,484 is a good one. If you are using one standard lot side, you make almost $3,000. $3,000. So after that, then it left this liquidity below this low, below the recent low. So I sat and started expecting to see a liquidity sweep to take my next trade, and below that there is still another gap, a very small gap right here. If you can see, a very small gap, and this other block, and there is this other block right here. It's another other block, which I just explained. It doesn't have to be the last bullish or bearish candle to make another block. You understand? So I sat and started waiting for this liquidity sweep, to see this liquidity get swept and maybe enter the other block, or maybe the other block may hold, or it will likely reach to this small fair value gap. Understand? So that's what I'm expecting, but the first thing I'm waiting for is this liquidity, to sweep this liquidity with it down here. So the market did, it swept the liquidity. As it swept the liquidity, I placed my entry at the top of this, at this order block, this first order block, which is right here. I sent the screenshot to our trading community and placed my stop loss below everything, so that if the trade is to even violate this one and come straight to the main order block, I press it right here and still target the top, so that even if I'm not with the trade is to come straight to the other block, I will still be in the market. You understand? So it went, but it went straight to the TP, which I was there, and I took my profit before it did. It's a good scalping too. From here, if you can see, from where it entered, from my entry to where I exit, It's around 1,929 points. It's a good scalping too. The second trade, I took 3 trades that day, to be honest. It was 3 trades. So after that, after it went up, it rallied down again. It came down to this fair value gap. As it entered the fair value gap, the 50% of the fair value gap, exact the consequence encroachment of the fair value gap, exactly 50% of it. As it enter, it rally up again, which this one too is a good scalping, and I saw it, but I didn't take this one because I don't want to overtrade, but I know it will react as I draw the fair value gap. Normally I'm the one that control BTC, you know. As I just draw the fair value gap, I know it must come and react there. So it went and gave 1,345 points, which is a good scalping too. So I did not take that one. I placed my limit order on this other block, which is right here. When I placed the limit order on the other block, it came to the other block straight, and I placed my stop loss just some pips below the other block. The market came, and my first target is here, then second target right here, then the third target, the main one, is here. Targets should always be above highs or lows, or at the highs or at the lows. That's it. This is a high, first take profit. This is a high, second take profit. Then this is the last high, the last take profit. Then the market came, it entered the other block, it take me in. It's a good snapper entry. It went to my first take profit, I took it. Then as it came to the second take profit, I take out the trade right here. I closed the whole position right here because the market has been has been in series of consolidation. It has been consolidation, which is the reason of the consolidation. Everybody knows is because here, and this is market of Friday and Saturday. It's just weekend something, you know, always weekends. Let me say a lot of times weekends are consolidation. So that's why. So I take my profit right here. That's why I take the profit. That's how I made the trade. So you always come to the chart, look for a breakup market structure, look for some fair value gaps, which is things that other people don't see. Okay, other retail traders don't see. Look for fair value gaps, look for the other blocks, and look for liquidities. If you see liquidity get swept after that break of market structure, wait for the market to enter maybe fair value gap, or as it sweep the liquidity, it must be at fair value gap or another block. Liquidity sweep, enter fair value gap or other block, take the trade, monitor it. If it's not yet in another block, make sure you are there monitoring it. You should be monitoring it so that you will not get hot. Understand? It will not take you out when it will not keep on moving to the direction where it is supposed to be moving to while you are not there. So if you are monitoring it, if you see any sign of reversal, take your profit first and expect the big move again, which is entering other block. When you enter the other block, take it right there and let the market run. So that's it, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching until we meet in another episode. Bye. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, please, and like this video if you found it useful. Watch our recent videos too. You'll learn a lot, I know. Bye.